So friend, you can see that this is the turtle. It's not an Indian turtle, it's a foreign breed. And how they are perfect to walk and swim in water. That's the rainwater which are collected on my roof. You can see this turtle goes always on north direction, because north direction is lying Ganga river, and some kind of a magnetic field detect this turtle. I think some kind of. Once again, I drop this turtle in this collected water, and let's see where she goes. Where does she go? So we will wait some time, and I'm damn sure she goes north direction. So let's see what happened. So I think she is little bit of nervous, because it's the first time when I put it in the roof collected water, rainwater, and rainwater pH level is 6. It's good for turtle. And one thing I observed that when I keep this turtle in my aquarium, so aquarium size is so small and there is also large space. That's why she feels nervous little bit. But let's see where she goes. She trapped. She trapped, but she is damn good in navigation, and she quickly navigate. The north direction is a water source which connects ocean. Eventually, now she goes. Ganga river connects ocean and Ganga. A little bit of showering happening again. That's a fantastic day. Sunrise with raining. I said she is nervous. That's why she goes in hiding place where I cannot go. I hope guys you like this video. If you really like this video, make sure like the button, make sure you hit the press button of like, subscribe my channel, and never forget to hit the bell icon. So I keep it the starter. I love it. Exoskeleton, this turtle, because this is the part of their skeleton.